Hey there. My name's Salima, and for a long time now, I've been teaching kids about bodies, growing up, and all the stuff I wish I knew when I was your age. Now, you might be wondering, why should I listen to this random person? And if I haven't visited your school, I don't blame you. Well, here's the deal. I've been doing this for over 20 years. I've worked with thousands of kids just like you. And low-key flex, kids actually tell me I'm pretty fun to learn from, which is the best compliment I could get. Oh, and a fun fact about me. Once, I wore mismatched sneakers to teach a whole class, and I didn't even notice until lunch. And I have a tiny cavapoo named Theo, and his favorite snack is watermelon. Lately, the kids I work with have told me about a few things that keep popping up in their lives, especially online. Stuff about nudes, the weird messages they hear about gender and consent, and how to tell real from fake news online, all of which can feel pretty confusing, uncomfortable, or even a bit embarrassing to talk about. And that's exactly why I've made these 4 videos for you. Now, if you're watching this, it already tells me something. You're curious, you're smart, and you want to make good choices for yourself. Some of what you hear in these videos might be brand new. Some might be stuff you already know. Either way, it's the kind of information that can help protect yourself, your friends, and make decisions that feel right for you. My hope is that as you watch, I can answer some questions you may already have. And my guess is that some new ones will come to mind too. If that's the case, I'll make sure you know how to contact me by emailing me or DMing me on social media so that I can answer anything you're wondering. Because like my shirt says, I got you.